Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable power saving mode on Google Pixel Line A. Let's begin! So first of all we want to go to the settings, and now let us scroll down until we should see the battery option right here. We want to click it. And now, as you can see, we have the ability to activate our battery saver. We can also set it to the extreme, but that's only for extreme lads out there. So let's keep that standard version and let's activate it just like that. And now we have our power saving mode enabled. If you want to disable it, all we have to do is simply click it and disable it just like that. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.